Hey Jennifer, I got a new Surface Pro, so I'm going to try to record the video this way. Hopefully this works out. If not, then I can just make a video with a pencil and paper the way I do my basic concept videos. But I'm looking at number 7, and this is on lab number 3. So this is the one that I said you set up correctly. It says a landscape company orders 2 orders at a nursery. The first order is 13 bushes, so you got 13 bushes plus 4 trees, and that order equaled 487. So it looks like you have that one. And then the second order is 6 bushes and 2 trees, and that order was 232. And your handwriting on your paper is a little bit blurry when you copied it, but I'm thinking that you might have wrote some number other than 232, because if you set it up like this, your matrix should be 13 4 487 and then 6 2 232, and from that point you would want to do your RREF on your calculator, so that stands for reduced row echelon form, and then you should get the correct answer, which at the moment, believe it or not, I don't have it, so I'm going to have to put it in my calculator, so bear with me. I should have done this before. I want to say that the bushes are 23 and the trees are 47, but I'll let you know in 1 second. Alright, so second matrix. And you might hear my dogs in the background. They're inside, it's raining outside. So yeah, so you get the matrix. It looks like this: 1 0 23 and 0 1 47. So that tells me that bushes are equal to 23 and trees are equal to 47. So it looks like you did everything right. I think where you screwed up at was with this 232. It looks like you might have wrote something. It looks like you might have wrote 237. So go back and double check that. But other than that, you're set up with everything else over here was perfect. All right, so the next one that you missed was number 8, and this one was tough. So with number 8, it says, and I'm working with 2 screens here. So it says Sally's going to buy a total of 11 new items at Target. She is going to buy jeans, dresses, and shoes. So one of your things should be, if I add up all the jeans plus all the dresses plus all the shoes, I have a total of 11 items. So that would be my first equation. So all the jeans plus all the dresses plus all the shoes equals 11. The next sentence says she is going to spend exactly $460 and has discovered that jeans are $25, dresses are $50, and shoes are $40. So that means if I charge you $25 for every pair of jeans plus $50 for every dress plus $40 for every shoe, that my total cost is going to be $460. And my S's kind of look like 5s, but that's an S, and so is this. That's an S. So that should be my second equation. And I do see that you had that one on your paper, so that one's good. I didn't see this first equation anywhere on your paper. All right. So then my third equation, or my third sentence, says she is going to buy twice as many shoes as jeans. So off to the side, I'm going to do this in the bottom left-hand corner. I'm comparing shoes to jeans, but if I know I'm going to buy twice as many shoes, in order to make these 2 things equal, I need to double the amount of jeans. So it should be S equals 2J. And I'm not seeing that anywhere on your paper. I do see something with a 1/2 S, but I think that's a little bit off. So it should be S equals 2J. And then I want to move the J over. So I'll get S. And then I have a minus 2J when I moved it over. And that left me with 0 on this side. So if I subtract 2J from both sides, it leaves me with 0 over here. So my third equation should just be negative 2J and then plus S. And I don't have any dresses here, so I'm going to go ahead and add in a 0D. All right, so that's just a placeholder. So those are my three equations. So when I go to put this in a matrix, it should be 1, 1, 1, 11, 25, 50, 40, 460, -2, 0, 1, and 0. So that should be your matrix, and I'll put that into the calculator. Whoops, sorry about that. I'll put that into the calculator, and I'll do the reduced row echelon form. And once again, bear with me, I have to actually plug it in my calculator. I should have done this prior. And I'm getting this matrix right here, which is 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 5, 0, 0, 1, 4. So this is where you have to keep in mind of what order you had it in. The first one is my jeans. The second one was my dresses. The third one's my shoes. So this means jeans equals 2, dresses equals 5, and shoes equals 4. That should have been the answer for this one. Hope this video works. I know it's a little bit different than a pencil and a paper. You can't really see where my hand is. So hopefully you can follow this. I'll send this to you. If this does not help, please let me know, and I'll make another video with just a pencil and paper like my basic concept videos.